Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect shell script with AWS Lambda. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect a shell script with AWS Lambda, first, ensure you have an active AWS account. Begin by creating a new Lambda function in the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service and click on Create Function. Select Author from Scratch to start with a new function. Give your function a name that reflects its purpose. Choose the runtime environment as Python 3.x or another suitable option. In the function code section, implement an example Python handler. This handler will invoke your shell script logic. To execute shell scripts in AWS Lambda, you'll need to bundle the script with your deployment package. Create a directory on your local machine for the Lambda function. Inside this directory, place your shell script file. Make sure to give executable permissions to your shell script. Next, create a Python file that will call the shell script using the subprocess module. In this Python file, import the subprocess module at the top. Define a function that will execute the shell script using subprocess.run. In the subprocess.run, specify the path of your shell script. Return the output of the command from this function. Once you have completed the code, create a .zip file containing both the Python file and the shell script. Return to the AWS Lambda console and upload your .zip file in the function code section. Set the handler name to match your Python file name and function name. You may also need to adjust the execution role of the Lambda function to give it the necessary permissions. Test your function using the test event feature in the AWS Lambda console. Monitor the execution results and logs to ensure the shell script runs as expected. Make any necessary adjustments to your shell script or Python code based on the results. Finally, ensure your function is deployed and ready for use in your AWS environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.